toy. Show your toy. Show your toy. Show your toy. Show your toy. Wow. Yay. What's this? What's this?
Duck.
Bob.
What's the sound of a duck?
Gigigilak kayo ah.
Quack.
Ba't ba lagi wala akong parang ligo sa mga mga kainis? Ayusin mo kasi.
Finish na.
Share na lang. Galaw ka ah. Stop over. Uy, ba't may light? Eh!
Birthday wishes. Ambot niyo mo dahil.
Dale, pag gin bilog yan!
Anong gusto mo? Calamares o anong lusin? Gusto mo ba ulit? Siyempre. Sister. This is, what's the name of this? Cow. Cow. How about this one?
Pwede mo muna kayo?
Movie?
In
the horse. Yay!
Bye, bye, bye. Okay, bye. Bossing, kumusta ang buhay-buhay? Yay! 10 foot.
Anak ko. Bunny, it's a bunny.
Something in the wind has to remind me, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the clouds on the trees.
Here, sit here. You sit here. Then let's play. So hot. You are turning to Little Mermaid. You want mermaid? Okay, here's your tail. Ang chill baby niya, Bob, no?
Thank you for helping us. Sige.
Behave, behave, behave.
Behave, Dale. Behave.
Baby, mermaid na anak mo.
Asak ka na.
Can you sing, Dale?
So,
Ganyan, oh. Isda ka na, Dale!
Picture na yung picture.
We're almost there. Oh, teka lang, behave. Tapos lagyan natin ng ganito. Wow! You're our mermaid. Behave, behave. You're a fish now. Sa ate. Isa lang. Great.
Strawberry.
Dalawa lang kayo makan. Ito na. Kantahin mo kayo ta. Mas gawin ta. Ang gawin mo sis.
Hindi ba lamig yan? Hindi na pinasok sa bata.
Lalagay mo kayo.
I want to sing in the pool with the boy.